Cybertruck with FSD handles narrow mountain roads with no markings so easily. Cybertruck was seen autonomously navigating a very narrow, unmarked dirt mountain road surrounded by dense forest. The road is extremely tight, barely wider than the Cybertruck itself in places with no lane markings, guardrails, or clear edges and with sharp turns and inclines. The yoke turns smoothly on its own as the vehicle precisely hugs the center, avoids edges, and handles curves without hesitation or intervention. The FSD immediately detects the approaching SUV. The truck slows down smoothly and pulls as far right as physically possible, hugging the edge of the dirt path. They pass each other with mere inches to spare. The Cybertruck stays perfectly centered on its remaining path. No jerking, no hesitation, no disengagement.